Next, let's talk about goal setting. You're going to do a lot of goal setting in this class. First goal is your project idea. If your teacher has given you some boundaries and guidelines for the project, you can type an idea there. If not, skip it for now, or your teacher might not even have that. Next, I want you to choose a goal for your class. Make sure to stick to your row, by the way. Remember, this is my name right here. Not a very good name, is it? And I'm sticking to this row. Don't change someone else's goal. So find the row for your goal and pick the thing that you want to accomplish for this semester in this class. The next thing let's talk about is daily goals. Notice that this is day one. There are 3 parts to goal setting for day one. First, set a goal. 2, rate the difficulty of that goal. And then 3, at the end of class, say whether you achieved that goal. So your first goal for today is probably going to be simple, something like set up the project manager. Remember to choose a goal that you can actually accomplish in one class period. Don't pretend you're going to change the world in one class period. Make a goal for what you can do, and then set the difficulty of that goal. Click on this little pop-up and rate how hard you think that goal is going to be. I'm going to rate this one a 4. At the end of class, you're going to say whether or not you achieved that goal. Don't put it yet because we haven't achieved that goal yet. All right, let's move on to the next lesson.